What's up? Once again mga amigs, Master Popi po ang inyong lingkod, ang lalaki mapapaaha-aha ka talaga, ang master ng bayan. Welcome to my channel and Facebook page. We will be talking about the upcoming 3-day event happening at the Limktekai Rotunda from April 11 to 13, Thursday to Saturday. We will be joined by 40 to 50 top bloggers, influencers, video creators, and social media icons from all over CDO, Iligan, Bukidnon, Misamis Oriental, and the rest of Northern Mindanao. This is the first and the biggest blogger event of the year.
The first and the biggest blogger event of the year.
Now, if you have a company, a brand, or services, we invite you to join us to have a chance to meet in person your future social media partners, endorsers, in one venue. This could potentially help you improve your sales by improving your social media presence in the future. Just message CDO BLOG CON 2019 Facebook page for more details on that. Now, on another note, if you are a person who wants to become an influencer, YouTuber, blogger, or maybe you just started your own website, vlogging channel, or internet show, this will be perfect for us to gain more knowledge, improve our skills, so that we can develop our name and brand. Guest speakers from all over the country will be visiting us, and they will share their knowledge, their experiences, their strategies and techniques about the new media. Through these talks, forums, workshops, and surprise activities, we can learn and gain a lot like other skills or knowledge to further equip us on our ventures. To have a 3-day access and other privileges and freebies for the 3-day event, all you have to do is inquire and register on our official Facebook page. Now, for students, discounted po kayo from 1,500 na babayaran, 500 na lang po ang registration ninyo. And for non-students, 1,500 pesos po lamang, including snacks, certificates, prizes, and freebies, and a whole lot more. But swerte ka kung follower or subscriber ka na ako sa akong social media accounts. Nga no? If you are really interested to join, na ako'y sikreto para ni mo, Migs. Just message me sa MOR Master Popi Facebook page right now and I'll tell you about it. Sikreto na lang para bibo. So, kita-kits na lang sa first ever, the biggest blogger event of the year. Once again, April 11 to 13 at the Limktekai Rotunda, Cagayan de Oro City. Invite your friends by sharing this video and check out CDO BLOG CON 2019 Facebook page. Join us and together, let's shape the era of new media.